Good afternoon.
Thank you for everything. Enjoy everything.
Ay, nako, sir. Yes, ma'am. Okay, game. Good afternoon. We have freshly baked cookies, brownies, and croissants. Best sellers po namin for cookies are chocolate, walnut, and triple chocolate. Croissants. For croissants, there namin cheese and panta chocolate. Still have everything in display. We're really doing our best para kahit ganitong oras, may laman pa yung display namin. Oh my goodness.
Sabihan sa'yo. Ako, pwede ba siyang naka-box? Dalawang cookies yung bibili ko.
For boxes po kasi, it can fit 5 to 6 pieces of cookies or brownies. For croissants, our big box can fit 2 croissants.
Sige, kahit hindi na naka-box. Ako lang naman
Alright, ma'am.
Tapos isang triple chocolate.
Okay, anything else? Okay, gusto niyo po ba sarinitin natin kung kakainin niyo na?
Hindi, wala nang iwa-warm.
Okay, no worries. Anything else po po? Okay po, 3 items po tayo, ma'am. 1 chocolate chip cookie, 1 triple chocolate cookie, and 1 pana chocolate. Total po natin is 485. Let me just pack everything for you. And give me a while.
Ay, pwede nyo ito para iwalay na lang namin.
Okay, sure, no worries. Yes, so that is our rendition of the famous Dubai chocolate. So it is pistachio chocolate cookie. It is a full butter croissant with triple chocolate dough and then crunchy pistachio filling.
Ikaw lahat ng bibig.
Yes, with the girls, of course. We do everything here. Yes, ma'am. Total po natin 485. Sorry, is that debit or credit?
Debit.
Debit. Insert na lang po tayo, ma'am. Okay na po, ma'am. You can take your card. Thank you. And then I will just give you your receipt. Thank you so much. And
Enjoy everything.
thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you.